Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn photos into a coloring page in Canva in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. Upload your photo by clicking on Uploads and selecting your file. Drag the photo onto the canvas and adjust it as needed. For the best results, choose an image with clear outlines or lines, as images with fewer outlines may not work as effectively. If necessary, you can manually enhance the outlines using Canva's Draw tool. If your image has a background, remove it using the BG Remover option from the toolbar. Keep in mind that this feature is only available for Canva Pro users. Next, click on the Edit option in the toolbar, go to Filters, and scroll down to find the Mono section. Select the Classic filter from the list. After applying the filter, go back and click on Adjust to fine-tune the settings until you achieve the desired look. And that's it! You successfully turned a photo into a coloring page in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.